Hello, my Niger people. How you guys doing? Because I'm doing pretty cool. So right today, I'll be talking about the COVID-19 vaccines. You know, vaccines in the recent years is actually technology that humanity has relied on to bring down or to cut down the death toll, especially for infections and diseases. You know, so going by estimates, over 1.60 million people has been administered these vaccines to in Nigeria, across Nigeria. And all over the world also, a number of people have taken these vaccines, and there has been a little bit of controversy around giving out these vaccines and their effects. So basically, I'll be on the streets today asking Nigerians if they are given these vaccines, would they actually take it? And why would they want to take it? So while you guys are watching, don't forget it's your favorite boy on the mic, King Zeb, and I'm from Shortlips TV. Let me take you guys on the ride. That's what's up. Would you be taking the COVID-19 vaccine?
No.
Why not?
If it's original, yes. But if it's fake, I'm not sure.
I would love to.
No.
Yes, sure I will.
No.
And I will take it.
No, please.
I've already taken self.
I don't need it for anything.
Yes, I can take it.
No, I won't be taking it too.
I don't know yet.
I won't take the vaccine.
If it's available and if it is free, we are okay. We are good to go.
No, I will not take the vaccine.
There's no problem with it.
No, I'm not.
Because I'm not completely sure about it. There have been so many controversies about it, and I hear there are many adverse effects or reactions to it. Then again, a lot of countries have stopped using the COVID-19 vaccines from different countries. Or different companies, the ones produced by different companies as well. So I do not think I want to be the guinea pig.
Because everyone is taking it.
Okay.
Our governor said we should take it.
Okay.
Right? So we have to take it. Just because of your prevention is better than what? Cure.
Here in Nigeria, we don't even know the fake and the original anymore. So if it's original, yes. But if it's fake, no. But how do I even identify fake and original?
I've been watching the news. I don't base in Nigeria. And so I've been seeing the news, civilized world, they are taking it. But we are still skeptical about it here. Because there are so many news, there's so many speculations about it. But I think if the world is taking it, I can take it. But I need to be clear. It has to be explained to me properly. Because what we read on the news sometimes is not exactly what we think. But if I have to do it here, they have to explain it to me properly. And then when they do that, then I think I will probably take it.
It's a personal thing. I don't want to take it.
It's expected for us to take it so that we will be immune from having coronavirus. You understand? Not disputing the fact that some people are saying that rumors going about the vaccine, that the vaccines it's not originally the vaccine. It can cause, though everything has its own side effects due to the body type or so. But sure, I would take it.
Well, I don't think it's effective to me. It's not effective, and by the looks of it, there's no COVID-19 in Nigeria.
If it's necessary and if it's affordable and if it can reach to a poor man, then I will take it. Health is good. It's good to protect ourselves.
I don't have confidence about that vaccine, so I can't take it.
I've taken a vaccine.
Also, how did it go?
It's okay. It's fine.
It's been said that it does not really have much effect, whether curing, whether preventing, and with that, there's no reason for the vaccine. There is no atom of reason for it. I'm telling you.
I can take it to prevent it, so that I will not get it.
That vaccine, I never even believe in that vaccine because you know what is even going on. You see what's happening. They'll tell you that that vaccine, if you take the vaccine, they're injecting something into your body indirectly. So whatever the vaccine is, I don't really believe in that. I don't take the vaccine.
I just want to see people taking it first so that I can know maybe I will take or not. I want to see their reaction towards the vaccine.
It's when you are sick that you take something, but I don't believe there's corona in Nigeria.
I have no problem with the vaccine.
All right.
If it is available for us to take, I will take it.
Right.
Since I saw our leaders, they are taking it.
I don't know what they're putting in my body, so there's no reason of taking it. It's not preventing the COVID. It's not stopping the infected person from being shed, and it's not going to protect the person from not having it. So what's the reason? They should tell us. I think we need to be clarified, and they should stop the lie and make it clear. There's several no reason why one shouldn't take it.
There's been some controversial posts and people talking about it, but really, I don't really see anything wrong with it. I think it's even a very nice
idea, and I think it's a step closer to eradicating this COVID.
I don't trust the vaccine. I don't trust the vaccine. So maybe, I don't know, according to what I'm hearing, the vaccine kills some immune system in the body. So I don't want to take the vaccine again.
I learned that people react to it that it do cause blood clots, make your blood to be clogged. And then that you have to take something like whether penicillin or something like that, I'm not sure. So people do react to it. So for now, I'm just cool about it.
The thing is that we are not even really sure if this coronavirus is existing because, number one, if you go to market, you see the numbers of people that in the market, and those women have been seeing them like since January, and most of them are still there and they're still packed together. So eventually, if they have COVID-19, at least there should have been a complaint. Like if you go to Aja Market now, ask those women, you've not heard anybody complaining that they are sick or one of their, or maybe one of them is dead or something. So it is very difficult for us to believe that there is COVID-19, but anybody that wants to take the vaccine can take it.
All right, so you've heard from the street and you've seen for yourself how Nigerians reacted to the question, would you be taking the COVID-19 vaccine and why? So you've seen for yourself and you've heard, and actually you agree with me that there's been a bit of controversy around the vaccine issues. A lot of people say they're going to take, some say they're not taking, and some say they don't even believe in the COVID-19 at all. Wow. But there you go again. If you love my content and you want to continue seeing more of this, I'll beg you to please go subscribe to our YouTube channel at Shortlives TV, also on Instagram at Shortlives TV. Don't forget to follow us on our official website at www.shortlives.com. But you already know, till I come your way, till I storm your neighborhood next time, is your favorite boy on the mic, King Zeb.